Welcome to my channel. Today, I am introducing a practical course. This course is suitable for individuals who want to enhance their skills in professional document editing and design. With approximately 35,000 students and a 4.3 rating, this is a successful course. Its current price is about €20, and by purchasing it, you will have full access to the course and benefit from its future updates. The duration of this course is 2.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn the following: document creation, paragraph and borders format, smart art chart, symbol, and watermark, design and development, image and page modification, page setup and tables. Now, I want to provide this course for free and completely legally with just a few clicks. You can access the course for free and even receive a certificate. To see how this is done, first subscribe to us and add this video to your watch list. Now simply open your browser and enter the address discountedcourseninja.com into the Google search engine. From the displayed results, click on this link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here, and you will be redirected to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the homepage of the website. On this website, you can access various course discount coupons. You can find your desired course in the search section or look up your preferred topics in the category section. Please note that course discounts are subject to certain limitations. Here, you can see our desired course. Now, to get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the Get the Coupon button. That's it.
Wow!
The course has been made available to you for free. Please note that the coupon is time limited. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to us and share it with your friends.